In my third and final demonstration, I've come to Amazon Redshift, Amazon's data warehousing service, to show you how quickly you can move data from AWS Data Exchange and Amazon S3 into a warehouse. So the first task that we need to conduct is to create a table within our warehouse, and this table is going to store financial information about Amazon's stock price, and we'll quickly run that query. Once we have a table available on the left hand side, and you'll see it here, we're able to move to our second query, and using this query we're going to copy the Amazon data in this format from this particular Amazon S3 bucket using this particular IAM role, which has access to both my S3 bucket and my cluster. Finally, I provide information about the file format and the date formats. Once we click run, that will execute the SQL command, loading the table from the S3 bucket into the Redshift cluster. And to just demonstrate that's been successful, we'll quickly select all the records, well, 1,000 records from that Amazon table, and those will be presented to us at the bottom of the screen. And that's completion of my 3 lightning demos today.